Hi everybody! In this video we will show you how to turn on a LED and send a message with the button, which is this. Okay, first we have to wake up the pins that are here. We have to put this the input and the pull-up that you have to press the button and the color of the LED and the output. And on void loop we have to put the code integer value because we need real positive numbers equal to digital read and Arduino will read it. And then the condition that is if its button value is equal to high, so if you are pressing the button, see, if you are not pressing the button, the LED will be off. And then other condition is it's equal to digital write, so if you are pressing the button, the LED will turn on.
Now we just have to run the code and remember that to turn on the light we have to press the button. So our message is and that's our code.